Assalamu alaikum to all of my friends. How are you all today? I hope all of you are fit and fine and you are having a good day. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And this is me, Ahmed Shafique, and this video is making for my new channel. Of course, this is a welcome videos for my new channel, and I hope all of you are support me to move forward, and I'm going to tell you that how to improve your spoken English in the future. So keep well and be careful and take care of yourself. Uh, if you are new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for the next. So no more today. See you on the next video, and of course this is my area. How beautiful that. uh, so this is the morning time. Wonderful weather and a nice feeling. So tata, bye bye. See you on the next video. Assalamu alaikum.